Sugar is an ingredient that should be consumed with caution. However, this product, with somewhat of a bad reputation, has a very important quality which isn't widely known. According to a study in the UK, sucrose has a great healing power. When it's applied directly to the surface of wounds, it greatly accelerates the recovery process. This was confirmed by the team from the University of Wolverhampton in the West Midlands, led by Dr. Moses Mirandu, who began by experimenting with the application of sugar on wounds as a child. Dr. Moses Mirandu grew up in Zimbabwe, and because he didn't have easy access to medicines, he put salt on wounds to disinfect them. Subsequently, he began to realize that salt burned the skin. One day, instead of using salt, he put sugar, and after a while began to realize that it was much more effective. He graduated from nursing school and later decided to become a professor of nursing after realizing that sugar was not used by doctors as a remedy. His first research project was about what happens when sugar is applied to wounds. According to Dr. Mirandu, to accelerate the healing process, simply apply sugar to the surface of the wounds and then cover with gauze. It works on animals as well as humans. Recognized by the journal Wound Care for his investigations, the professor explains that the ability of sucrose to extract moisture from wounds prevents the spread of bacteria that cause infection. Dr. Mirandu's research has also shown that high doses of sugar, when applied to wounds, actually combats some strains of bacteria. This finding is great news, especially in places where access to medicines and antibiotics is limited or restricted. In addition, because of the various side effects that accompany these remedies, a natural alternative like sugar may be a good solution in the treatment of minor cuts and wounds. Did you already know about this natural remedy to treat cuts and wounds? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.